If you're seeing a Facebook error occurred message, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that usually solve it fast. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and you can follow along even if you're not very technical. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this one. Now, let's begin with the fastest fix first. Refresh the page by pressing F5 on your keyboard. Sometimes the error happens just because the page failed to load properly, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it. If you're on a phone or tablet, just reload the page using the browser refresh option. If that does not fix it, the next thing you should do is check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook pages and features to stop working correctly. Try opening another website to see if it loads normally. If other sites are slow too, reconnect to Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, or restart your router if needed. After that, clear your browser cache. Old cached files can sometimes conflict with Facebook and trigger unexpected errors. In your browser settings, find the option for privacy or browsing data, then clear cached images and files. You do not always need to delete everything, but clearing the cache is often enough to remove the problem. If you still see the error, try opening Facebook in Incognito mode. This is a great test because it loads the site without using your normal cookies, cache, or extensions. If Facebook works in Incognito, then the issue is likely coming from your browser data or an extension. In that case, you may need to clear cookies, disable extensions, or reset your browser settings. At this point, one of these steps usually fixes the Facebook error occurred message. Start with refresh, then check your internet, then clear the cache, and finally try Incognito mode. These are the fastest and safest things to try before moving on to anything more advanced. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.